This video discuss on variance and standard deviation. Squared difference between values and its arithmetic mean can be expressed as x minus x bar square. Variance is the average of the squared difference between values and its arithmetic mean. The notation for population variance is sigma squared. Hence, sigma squared is equal to the sum of the squared difference between values and its arithmetic mean, divided by the population size. Standard deviation is the approximate average of difference between values and its arithmetic mean. The notation is sigma. Sigma is the square root of the population variance. Most of the time we only have sample data, so we can calculate sample variance and sample standard deviation. Sample variance. The notation for sample variance is s square. The sample variance is equal to the sum of the squared difference between values and its arithmetic mean, divided by the sample size less 1. The sample standard deviation is denoted by s, which is equal to the square root of s squared. The calculation of sample variance is simpler with the following formula. Example. Table below shows the advertising expenditure of a company for the first 9 months. Find the sample standard deviation.
N is equal to 9. Sum of x is equal to 5.2 plus 4.8 plus 6.1 all the way up to plus 3.1, which is equal to 38.7. Sum of x square is equal to 5.2 square plus 4.8 square plus 6.1 square all the way up to 3.1 square, which is equal to 175.91. S square is equal to 1 over 8 multiplied by 175.91 minus 38.7 square over 9, which is equal to 1.1875. S is equal to square root of 1.1875, which is equal to 1.0897.
Example. The table below shows information about the amount of time spent, in minutes, by 50 people in a supermarket on a particular day. Find the sample standard deviation. N equals 50. The midpoints are as follows. Fx are as follows. The sum of fx is equal to 20. X square are as follows. Fx square are as follows. Sum of fx square is equal to 92,650. S square is equal to 1 over 49. Multiply by 92,650 minus 20 square divided by 50, which is equal to 225.3469. S is equal to square root of 225.3469, which is equal to 15.0116. The empirical rule for variables that are normally distributed are: approximately 68% of all possible observations lie within one standard deviation to either side of the population mean. That is between population mean minus sigma and population mean plus sigma. Approximately 95% of all possible observations lie within 2 standard deviation to either side of the population mean. That is between population mean minus 2 multiplied by sigma and population mean plus 2 multiplied by sigma. Approximately 99.7% of all possible observations lie within 3 standard deviation to either side of the population mean. That is between population mean minus 3 multiplied by sigma and population mean plus 3 multiplied by sigma. The empirical rule is also known as the 68-95-99.7 rule. Thank you for watching.